All right, guys, welcome back. Here's another one. Got D10T. They're gonna rip this field, do some deep ripping. I guess the tip keeps breaking off. So I did not hard face that, if anybody was wondering. Anyways, so what's happening is there's too much, it's wore out too much on the bottom. So with the pin in there, you can kind of see that hole. It basically goes boom, and it shears the pin off. When they pick it up out of the ground, they lose the point. And it's, I don't know, so like 6 or 7 feet deep. So yeah, so those pins go in there. So basically we just have to build that bottom edge back up so that it fits nice and true, so that it won't allow the tip to like twist like that, which acts kind of like a shear and just shears the pin right off. So should be fairly simple and easy. And then we have to replace this eyelet or whatever you call in the back, because they drag this thing through the ground too. So that's it, and let's get started. That fits kind of tight already. And there's still play bottom of the pin, so that'll work. So, that. Okay, so I cut this other spacer piece, fits in the back nice. I'll butt up to that first one that I put on there. Tack that on. Pull it off. see what I did there? Basically, that's a 3/8 plate. All welded in there. You know, the bottom of that ripper point can push against that real hard, and it won't move around and allow it to cut that pin. It's not perfect. It's not as nice as the one I did on the table in my shop, but it will serve its purpose and get these guys back to work. Okay, we got that piece all cut off. Now we're gonna grind it and weld the new eyelet on there. Okay, so I was going to weld this side on there because it would have more meat right here, but I was just looking at that bracket and then how it hooks up to that other piece, and that's not going to be enough room for them. We need this so it will stick out a little bit more. So I'm going to weld on this side instead of this side now. Very first pass. Okay, and we're done. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. And leave comments of what you guys like, what you don't like, all that stuff. I wanna hear it, the good and the bad, and there's kind of a nice California sunset for you. There you go. Well, till the next one, take it easy.